In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download WPS on your computer. So if you have a laptop or a personal computer and you'd like to get WPS Office, it is quite simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, to get started, all you need to do is to go to Microsoft Store on your computer, and you can easily locate Microsoft Store down here. If you go ahead and click on this icon, you'll be able to open Microsoft Store by clicking on it. Now you can see I have here WPS and I can get it. However, if you can't see your WPS Office, go ahead and click on search here. But first, before you do it, you'll need to create a free account on your Microsoft Store to be able to download these programs. To search for your program, just go up here and then search for WPS. And here you can see it is available in the store. Go ahead and click on it and then proceed and click on get it. Now this will go ahead and download it, then proceed and install it. Now once the installation is done, you can now proceed and open your WPS program on your computer. And to do this, just go ahead and tap on open here, and immediately your program will be launched on your computer. Now to find your program and pin it on your computer or on your start menu, just head over to start menu here and you'll be able to see WPS Office is here. So if you right click on it, you'll be able to pin it to start menu, proceed and do as you wish. So that's how you download and install WPS Office on your personal computer or on your laptop. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.